Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
I will show you step by step how to scan any barcode with your phone. First, enable camera permission for the scanner app in your phone settings. Next, choose a purpose-built scanner app or use your built-in camera if it supports barcode scanning. Make sure lighting is bright and even so the camera can read contrast. Wipe the barcode surface clean to remove dirt or reflections that confuse the reader. Finally, position the phone steady, about 3 to 6 inches from the barcode, for best focus. Now we will cover the scanning technique that yields consistent results every time. Center the barcode in the viewfinder and hold the phone steady for 2 to 4 seconds while the app processes. Use autofocus or tap the screen to force focus on the barcode lines if needed. If glare or reflections appear, angle the phone slightly to reduce them instead of moving closer. For damaged or partial barcodes, try scanning from multiple angles or use a higher resolution app. Always wait for audible or visual confirmation before moving the phone away. Finally, I will explain troubleshooting tips and common uses for scanned barcodes. If a scan fails, try switching between QR, UPC, EAN, or code 128 barcode types in your app. Use the scan result to open a link, save product information, or populate fields in a form automatically. If the camera repeatedly fails, restart your phone, update the scanner app, or reinstall it to clear errors. For privacy, disable automatic link opening and inspect URLs before tapping. Keep your phone case and lens clean to maintain consistent scan accuracy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.